cherry blossoms, guys. It's blooming. Buti na lang meron kasi usually April pa siya. Buti na abutan namin kahit pa paano yung ibang parts dito sa Seoul. Ang ganda. Pangarap ko makakita nito. So beautiful. Ang liwanag. So ito yung loob ng palace. So pretty. Ayan kasi yung cherry blossoms onti pa lang. So dyan na side, daming tao. Meron silang reminder dito. Teka, papakita ko sa inyo. Ang kulit. Ito. No catching of Pokemons. Ayan o. Ang kulit lang. So, pasok tayo. Wow! Actually, magkakahawig yung mga palaces nila. Mas malaki lang siguro ata yung Gyeongbokgung. Tsaka mas ano yung ano dito, no? Yung ground. Or same lang. Yan, guys. So guys, kung papasok sa Secret Garden, kailangan may ticket din. This costs 5,000 with a guided tour. So yan, 5,001. So ito, hintayin lang natin mag-start yung tour. Hindi ka ata makakapasok without a ticket. So kailangan mong mag-purchase. So yan siya. May time siya. So, ang time namin is 2:30.
As fast as it can. UNESCO listed Cheongdokgung as World Cultural Heritage in 1997 due to the most well-preserved palace condition and perfect harmony with the natural surroundings. It was built in 1405 as secondary palace to Gyeongbokgung in the main palace back then, but most of the palaces in Seoul were completely burned down during the Japanese invasion in 1592. Later in 1610, you can imagine what they try to make it look like. And that was where a king is going fishing, enjoying flowers, or on the poem with his officials. And if someone makes this part more likely to make a rhyme for the poem right away with Ghibli, that person was sent from that building to that little island as punishment for a while.
Okay, so
and the next part is located across the park on the hill. You see that's a two-star building over the hillside? Yeah, that's the royal library called Gyeongbokgung, which was built in that side. You can see the wall up there. You see the wall up there on your right?
So guys, papasok tayo dito sa loob. Basta kailangan lang daw tanggalin yung shoes para ma-experience natin kung paano. Dito daw yung king. Usually nag-stay. Wow. Pikachu.
The royal families back then would with archeries, and those were the big part of hunting as well, because this was also where they caught the leopard, boars, tigers as well. And we're not one of them, so we've got to keep walking. Let's wait, please. You can see the wall on your left side, and beyond this wall belongs to the second part of this garden. Is called Eden number 11 on your map. And to go through this part, they made two gates on this wall. Korean, Hulamen in Chinese literally means the gate of never getting old. What we get is that here with wish flowers. It's not exactly scientifically proved yet, but it feels good. Please go in there feeling but like longevity vibe. Well, for your information, 46 was the average lifespan of kings back then. No wonder why we had to have this kind of long-lived king symbols on the palace ground. Please.
Let's go inside. Wow. So guys, we're here at another part of the palace and it's so pretty. So dun yung study area ng king. Sa taas. Pag sa mga K-drama, nakikita natin yung mga palace. Yan. Totoo siya guys. It's for real. So, buti na lang nag-guided tour kami kasi mas makikita mo yung kung ano yung nandito sa palace. 5,000 won is around $50 lang. Tapos maiikot mo na siya ng buo. And you can see everything around the palace. Tapos malalaman mo din yung historical part ng Korea. So it's really a must for me to do pag first time mong makapunta dito sa Korea. Okay, so aakyat tayo doon. Oh my gosh! So, ang tip ko lang din is this tour is really tiring. Para hindi ko masasuggest pupunta dito sa summer kasi mainit. So, okay yung spring. I think best yung spring. So, ngayon malamig. Ang hirap din huminga. But it's really worth it. Kasi minsan mo lang naman ito gagawin.
I know you just got here, you're getting here, but I'm kind of sorry to say this because we're not there yet. We're going down the right to see the next part, then we'll straight get back to here to come down to the left side so we can have one more place to see on the way out.
So yan guys, mahaba-haba pa yung ibababa. Yan, so make sure you wear your best running shoes ever because you need it, walking or running shoes.
Like Philip Joy.
Pinapromote naman niya. Ayan, so we're here. Ayan guys, so dami ng lalakaran. Oo nga. No water. So dry. Look at that guys. Puro frogs tsaka yung eggs sila pinakita ng tour guide. Ang dami! Okay. So we're going to the last part of the tour. Nakakapagod siya. Dito. Tour pa tayo ha. First time namin mag-tour. Usually kami lang talaga nag-iikot. Ayan. Nakakatuwa lang dito sa Korea. Papayat ka talaga. Yung leggings ko. Lumuwag. Fitted to sa akin nun eh. Kasi yan, nahuhulog na siya. Pero pag balik ng Pilipinas, break ka naman sa dati. So yan. Tum na kami. Hindi pa lang naman kinain ko sa breakfast. So yan guys, yung binabaan namin doon. Tapos punta na kami sa last part daw ng tour. And then tapos na yung guided tour. It takes 1.5 hours to finish the tour. Grabe guys, para talaga nasa K-drama yung alam ko nagyang bokgong din na finifilman tong mga to eh. Siguro to hindi. Kasi UNESCO heritage siya eh. So yan guys, ito na kami sa last part ng tour. Ayan, pinapaupo muna kami. Lamig. So ito guys, yung sa female side. Ang ganda. Warang feels. Look at that. Lalabas na kami. Tapos na. Ayan guys. Sobrang ganda. As in. Ma-preserve talaga nila tong historical part nila, ng country nila. And mas pa K-drama, warang Moonlight Down by the Clouds. Yung mga bagong K-drama. Ganda. Bye, Palace! Ganda, grabe. Kami na yung nahuli dito. Tara na! Aliw na naman kami mag-picture. Mas lumalamig na naman. Kasi anong oras na? 3? 4 na. Yeah, so kita tayo. Later! Sa haba ng nilakad namin kanina guys, hindi pa yun tapos. Doon kami galing. And then, palabas, maglalakad ka pa. Kaya I really advise that you wear yung pinaka-comfiest shoes. Yung pang-tagalang lakaran talaga. So, yan. Ganda oh. So, ganito pag fall daw, tsaka, ay pag autumn. Yan, fall. Kasi, iba yung kulay ng leaves.